am third degree black belt in martial arts. This is my friend Abhishek, he's second degree black belt in martial arts. And this is my friend Riyal, he is also second degree black belt in martial arts. We have started our new channel ASD Martial Arts. Please watch. Thank you. Today we are going to teach you some basic techniques of stretching. So first technique for stretching is this exercise is known as for your thigh strength. So follow it. Sit properly, friends. Come on. First of all, for this you have to bend down on your left knee. See, like this. You have to bend down on your left knee and then stand. Then stand. Then again bend down on your right knee. And then again stand. Like this and stand. Then again bend down on your left knee. And then you have to put your leg like this and here again back and then stand. Follow this. You have to follow this so much time. Around 20 to 30 times. Now it is time for second exercise, which is also known as leg push-up. It is also for your legs stretching. So first of all, for this you have to stretch your legs as much as you can open them. So sit properly. Open. See, he has opened his legs and now you have to put your hands on the ground like this. First and second properly, and then you have to start push-ups like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You have to follow this exercise for around 20 to 30 times. Okay? Got it? Now stand up. And thanks for watching our video. Now, please follow this exercise in your daily routine day by day. And this is my guarantee that you will be able to stretch your legs properly. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.